it's Dr. Lachman from Cool Dental. Let's show you folks some of the options to restore your mouth. Now sometimes people have large fillings, they're pulling away, maybe some broken fillings, maybe some cavities. There's different kinds of fillings that can be done. You can do fillings like this in white plastic. Okay, that's what usually the fillings are made of, is white plastic. And for small situations such as this, a white plastic filling would work fairly well. But when you have large situations such as this, where at least a half of the tooth is missing, to do that in a plastic filling is just not going to hold up long term. So in this situation, what we ended up doing was a porcelain filling. Okay, if you look carefully down here, hopefully it shows up on the screen. This is still natural tooth. I did not drill this away. This is still natural tooth. I did not drill that away. I basically just removed what was originally silver filling, got rid of some of the cavities and such. I kept all of this the same, and then we made a porcelain filling that fits over top. Why choose porcelain over plastic? The aesthetics are better with porcelain, but the plastic ones look pretty darn good also. The porcelain fillings are stronger and they have strength and handling characteristics very similar to your own natural enamel. So if we did this out of plastic, probably would have worked because 90% of the tooth is still there. To do this out of plastic, bad idea, it's going to break. So here we ended up doing both of these out of porcelain because the patient wanted something strong, durable, and didn't want to drill away extra tooth. So just because you have a large filling doesn't mean you have to grind the tooth down and do a traditional crown. We can do porcelain fillings. They work very, very well, and then you can keep more of your natural tooth. It's an option. Okay? Hopefully that helps.